now we will wire the system starting with the receiver and the network video recorder. So we will plug the power of the network video recorder. We'll take its power transformer and we plug it into the back of the network video recorder. And then we take the other end and plug it into your power source. For here, I'm showing you a power bar, but you can plug it into a regular outlet on your wall, and you just plug it to the power source. You then take the cable that you'll use to plug your network video recorder to your monitor. And you can use either an HDMI cable that looks like this, or you can use a VGA type cable that looks like this. If you're using an HDMI cable, then you will plug it on the back of the NVR where it says HDMI, and you'll plug that one end into the HDMI port, and the other end will go to your monitor or TV on the appropriate HDMI input on your monitor or TV. If you're using a VGA cable, then of course you'll take the VGA cable and plug it into the VGA port on the back of the NVR, and the other end will normally be connected already to your monitor, and or if you're plugging it to a TV, you'll have to plug the other end to your TV. We'll then take the mouse and connect the mouse to what we call the USB port, which is on the back of your unit, and it just connects onto the back of your unit. And we will power the receiver, and the receiver has a little door on the back of it. The door just pushes open to reveal certain ports, and you'll take the PoE injector, which is basically a power device. You'll plug it into power. So we're plugging it into a power source. You'll take a cable provided and plug it into, there's two ports on the back of the PoE injector. One says PoE, which is this one, and the other one says LAN, which is this one. For the power portion, you're going to take the cable and you're going to plug it into the port marked PoE. And then you're going to take the other end of that same cable and plug it into the yellow port of the receiver. And now, essentially, you've provided power to your receiver. You'll take another cable, a standard cable that's provided inside the box, and you're now going to connect the receiver so it can bring the video of your cameras into the network video recorder. So you take the cable and you plug it into the other port available on the receiver, and the other end of that cable gets connected into the back of the network video recorder in port number 1. You'll see that on this unit, because it's a 4-channel unit, you have 4 ports all together in the same location, and they're identified as port 1, 2, 3, and 4. They say PoE ports, and you can just take the cable of coming from the receiver and plug it into port number 1. And that concludes the portion of connecting the receiver and the NVR.